Okay students, now coming to question number 7. This is also 3 cross 3 matrix, and you can check in the row 1. This is our row 1. One bird is there, and it has only one seed here. Now here 2 seeds, here 3 seeds. Okay, you can check the seeds, the number of seeds are increasing, and bird is laterally inverted. Means what? The mirror image of bird is there, only the seeds are increasing. Similarly, if you will check from here, this second row, leaves are decreasing, and there it is a mirror image making, or laterally inverted image. Similarly, these leaves are reducing. In the same way, if you will check, this is a cup, this cup will be filling, and the mirror image will be there. Okay, so the diagram will be somewhat like this. Okay, and half cup will be filled. So the correct answer for this question will be option D. This will be the correct answer. Okay, now moving further to question number 9. In question number 9, you can see here this is having 1. This is a cell, this is the cells. Okay, this is row 1, and in each of the row this portion or this part is changing its position here from here to here, and at the end it is increasing. Similarly, in the row 2, this is only 1, this is 2, and this is 3. In row 3, 2 elements are there, then 3 elements are there, and at the last we will be having 4 elements, okay, or 4 blocks in the given cell. So it will be, correct answer will be option C. Okay, now moving further, question number 10. Okay, these are very simple questions. Again 3 cross 3 matrix. Okay, we have a triangle, and inside that we have a small triangle. Okay, and the top part is shaded coming from first to second. Now second to third, this bottom part is also shaded. Okay, in the same way, this circle is divided into 4 equal parts. One part is shaded, then 2 parts are shaded. This in the third row. Okay, this is row 3. This is row 3. Okay, this top part shaded, okay, divided in 4 equal parts, then bottom part will be shaded. Correct option will be, this bottom part will be shaded like this. Okay, correct option will be option number D. Now moving further to next type of question, that is question number 12. Select the figure from the options which will complete the given figure matrix. Okay, so this is a figure matrix we have. Okay, check here, we have 5 star or cross. Okay, we have 9 cross, this is 4 cross. Here also we have 9 circles, 3 circles, and 1 2 3 4 5 6 circles. We have 5, 9, and we have to find how many circles will be. So check it, this is following, row 1 and row 3 are same. So 9 9, 5 5, then here also will be 4 and 4. Okay, so correct answer will be option number, correct answer will be option B. Okay.